Maybe you have been trying to look for a course to learn Belgian Dutch or Flemish for a while now. But all the courses and materials seem to be focusing on Dutch, spoken in the Netherlands. This is a concern that I often hear from my students, and that's why I decided to make the A1 Dutch Flemish for Beginners course. I'm Alexia, I'm from Belgium, and I teach Dutch with a Belgian accent. In this course you can find 10 chapters, each with 7 lessons. If you do 1 lesson a day, you can reach the A1 level in 10 weeks. In this course you will also find an e-book consisting of 107 pages. You can use this e-book to learn or revise Dutch when you don't have access to the internet, for example. If you're not really into video courses, you can also buy this e-book separately with the audio, so you can hear the Flemish pronunciation and the exercises with the answer keys. If you want to know more about this course and this e-book, make sure you check out the links in the description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments or send me a message. I wish you all the best learning Belgian Dutch, and I hope to see you soon in one of my courses. Dag!